Who wants me to make some dinner? Because I got some camping food that needs to get eaten. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Would you like a big juicy hamburger?
Can we go get it? That's gorgeous.
You like it, babe?
I love it. This is a perfect burger. Thank you.
That's what Jacob asked for. So, ketchup on the side. Jacob's the one who asked me to make burgers too, which is... Tom, you like your burger? Couple rules of making good burgers. First off, iceberg lettuce is the lamest vegetable in the world. Use butterhead lettuce, romaine, spring greens, anything but iceberg.